you might think we might like Creedence a little bit.
The Beatles and Creedence.
Just about a year ago, I set out on the road, seeking my fame and fortune, looking for a pot of gold. Things got better.